Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
So it is a matter of concern for Goa where community transmission can happen, already which has happened at Mangor Hill. So it should not happen in Mapsa where there is a basti over there. I am also worried in my constituency at Aradi, Kandoli. So we are going to take all measures now to see that nobody comes from Maharashtra and stays over there. So if anybody is coming, we will have to tell all the people like social workers who are working in these areas, panchayat member, NGOs who are staying in that area to see that nobody should come and stay over there. Even if somebody is negative and has been offered home quarantine, so we will have to make some arrangement to keep them separately. Like now it is Mangor Hill, which is where the houses are touching one another. Now there are many more. Margaon in Zwarinagar, in my area is very small. Chimbel, in Maharashtra, in Mapsa, and other places in Goa. So we need to identify these places. I will appeal to our Archbishop. He will take the right decision. I don't think he will allow opening of the churches where there is a community transmission which has already happened in Mangor Hill. So he will still wait. No doubt MHA has given guidelines. He will still wait because he will not want anybody to point out fingers to the church that church is the reason where people all of a sudden it has opened now. People will just flock inside to pray. He will not want that reason to be for transmission of virus from one person to the another. I will request him.
Same with the temples and churches.
Yeah, I will, whatever I can do, I will speak. I will tell CM also to informally tell. We cannot tell them that you shut it down. But we can informally tell them that precautions needs to be taken. If things go bad, state will change SOP. State can directly tell church, temple, mosque, gurudwara not to open. But right now MHA has given guidelines to open. So state will directly not interfere and say shut it. We can request, like how I told you, I will request the Archbishop.
चर्चीस देवळां आणि रिलीजियस
हांवें सांगलां ह्या सगळ्या विशयाच्या उपरांत आमी पयलीं पळयतले हें आमी लोकल ट्रान्समिशन म्हटलां ताच्या उपरांत आमकां भायर खंय ट्रान्समिशन दिसता काय कितें हें सगळें पळोवन सरकार ताच्या उपरांत निर्णय घेतलो.